Wait for him to bring your change. I do. Alright, so you're pretty on point with where you're aiming for, which is good. A lot of people have like all over the place. So you're pretty close together, which is good.
I tried going for shoulder. I haven't shot. Well, I've only really shot like a.
Yeah, I gave him one shot.
I'll let you pay in for $3 and we'll take the change. I'll do it.
What do you mean? Pay next week. What, shoot again?
And you get the change.
Yeah. I'll shoot again and
So that's your change.
after I'm done shoot, I'm gonna have you shoot again.
Okay.
Just be careful. I'm hoping it doesn't bounce back and hit me one.
You're good, bro. So look, you have 20 shots, bro. If you hit 9 different targets that are on the paper, you see one of my prizes that are hanging off the black nets. Manage to hit the jumbo ones and the American rate single. No matter what, though, you're going to the keychain. So even if you don't hit anything. Let me just change this paper real quick for you, bro.
That's really cool.
All right, Gavin. Well, you're. So, Gavin.
Yeah.
Where to safe class?
Yeah, of course.
These guys. You want to get tripling it over yourself?
I think you should be okay. Are you alright with that guy?
Yeah, I'm okay with
All right. I know your vision will be a little bit off, but you just want me to hold it in front like this? Maybe want to make sure that's inside the barrel.
Yeah.
I put 2 extra.
Good job, man. Good job.
All right.
Put some holes in the
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Alright, let's see what you got. Let's go out.
Yeah. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
And then I'll show you what you hit.
Yeah, of course.
Show me when you want me to keep recording. I will.
Yeah.
Those two. This is that one. And do you want to keep that?
Yeah.
And I'll let him pick.
Great job. Oh, you want a picture? Or?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
Oh, just stop the recording and then go on to photo.
All right.